and welcome back to another BobBlast. Hi, I'm Bob Burridge, and this one is all about 4 easy ways to draw and paint the figure. And I'm about to go into my workshop where I'm going to be doing a lot of these lately, and so I'm practicing, right? I hear this all the time. Oh, Bob, I can't even draw stick figures. Well, either can I. Besides, I don't want to draw stick figures. I want to show people how exciting it is to be expressive and to reproduce what you see, and then show people how exciting it is to be an artist, all right, with charcoal. And as a matter of fact, in my figure workshops, we do a lot of charcoal, colored pastels, colored pencils, and we draw with painting too, with acrylic paints. It's fantastic. I hope you can join me in those workshops, but let me show you right now the 4 easy ways to get started, even for beginners. So I have my willow charcoal. It's nice and soft and rich. And a lot of workshops, when you do the figure workshop, they teach about anatomy, the angle of the pelvis and the shoulders, and do things like that. That's pretty great stuff, but that's not what we're going to be doing. We're going to start off this way. We're not going to be concerned about the perfect body, 7 heads high, and all of those dimensions. We're going to get into the 4 ways of getting started. And here we go. Charcoal ready, my gray drawing paper. The first one is the simple one, the one I said, oh, I can't even do stick figures. Well, yes, you can, actually. That's a stick figure. See? We can do that. You can do that. And that's how you do all these expressive. Start practicing that way, even bending over. Look, just sticks. Don't worry about feet and hands. Oh, looks like he's ready to jump. Okay, stick figures. The next one, well, let's do the toy balloons. Oh gosh, toy balloons. So just draw balloons. Even the arms. Even the arms, toy balloons. The thighs, balloons. So that's another way of getting started. You see? Don't worry about fingers and earlobes. Oh gosh, that's not what this is all about. Great way to get started. Alrighty. And the next one I like to say, oh, the squares. Oh, I can't forget the squares rather. So here we go, the pelvic. Here's the torso. Just like the balloons, but only they're squares. Rectangles. See? It's another way. One's more organic. This is very engineered, mechanical, if you say, right? So there's that way. And then my favorite way, very much like the French drawer, Dumier. Look him up, he's fantastic. And he would draw the common man, but he would draw like this, what I call the continuous lines. Like you don't lift the pencil. It's much more expressive, isn't it? Whew. Look at that. Whew. You just keep it going. Again, show people how exciting it is to draw and to express what you see. So there we have it. Stick figures, balloons, the blocks, and the continuous line drawings. It's a great way, especially to get started with charcoal, soft charcoal. So as you can see, it's very forgiving. I hope you like that. This is the stuff that we do in our workshops. Coming up, the figure workshops. Can't wait to see you there. And thanks for passing on these BobBlasts to your friends. I'll see you at the next BobBlast. Hi there, I'm Bob Burridge, and I'm inviting you to my next riverboat cruise painting workshop hosted by the Dillman's Resort. Guess where I'm going? Stay tuned. So this exciting riverboat cruise is next spring. Okay, so stay tuned here. And it's from Amsterdam to Belgium, going into the Netherlands. Oh my gosh, all those castles and those historic cities and history. We're gonna be relaxing and painting on location, not heavy duty painting, but light sketching, colorful pencils and things like that. Then back on our boat, small boat. No, it's a small boat, not one of these giant cruise ships, which I love so much. We get personal service. And we're gonna be with all the masterful museums. We're talking Van Gogh, Rembrandt, Vermeer, and all those other wonderful early painters that we love so much. Now we get to go and paint in the tulip fields, the same places they were, and all of the landscapes. We're gonna be doing landscapes and florals, as you see behind me, different styles, but mostly we'll be touring castles, painting in the fields, and go where all the other famous painters have gone before us. Just think, masterpiece, and all in the Netherlands with all those great painters. So I love this boat cruise. It's small. I love it. We did it before, the same boat cruise that we went up in Paris last year. Thank you, Dillmans. You did a great job. So great. We're going to do it again. And a lot of people are starting to sign up because it is an exciting place. I've always wanted to go there and paint. I hope you can join us. Check out the information at the end of this, and I'll see you in the Netherlands.